Yeah, I'm Kipta.
Do you have any bank account?
Yes.
So you don't spend money.
No.
So you are a Kipta, Kipta.
Yeah, I'm Kipta.
How is the beauty of the place? And are you happy or not? Say something about this place, 1 to 2 minutes in English.
Okay. First of all, when I came here by using Uber, then I saw like the place is so nice. I totally got, I totally got amazed to see the area, to see the road. I didn't expect that this kind of area even exist in Bangladesh. Yeah, and when I came here, there was some land. There was a nice cutting of green grasses, and I saw there are some hills, and behind this camera we can see there is a river. It's like an artificial canal, and
Okay, what makes you happy?
makes me happy. The food.
Food.
Yes.
And
And the area.
Tell me 5 reasons that makes you happy.
Okay. Number 1, it's my first time I ordered something.
Oh, you ordered first time.
Yes.
Your father gave you the money.
Yes.
And you went to the counter.
Yeah.
And you gave
I was
the
a bit
order.
shy.
So that's why you are happy today.
Yes.
You are successful giving the order
Yes.
and changing the money.
Yeah.
Okay, number 1. Number 2.
Number 2, the food looks really yummy.
The food looks yummy, but you haven't tasted yet.
Yeah.
মানে এখনো খাও
But
নাই,
it
মানে
looks
দেখছো?
yummy.
It looks yummy. Okay, that's great.
Okay. And we can get on the water vehicle.
Will you go there?
Yeah.
It is expensive. I don't have money. Do you
Yeah,
have any cash?
money. No.
Do you have any earning source?
I have earning source.
Do you have any bank account?
Yes. But I
Really,
want
you have a bank account?
Yeah.
What's the name of your bank?
Bankasia.
Bankasia. And
It's
where is
beside
it?
our house.
Where is it? Lalmatia.
Yeah, in
You have a
Lalmatia.
bank account.
Yeah.
That means you save money.
Yes.
So you don't spend money.
No.
So you are a Kipta, Kipta. মানে হার কিপটা ইংলিশ কি? কিপটা ইংলিশ কি কইতে পারেন? কিপটা হচ্ছে মাইজার। মানে those who saves money but don't spend. যারা টাকা সঞ্চয় করে, কিন্তু টাকা খরচ করেন তাদেরকে মাইজার বলা হয়। ওকে?
Yeah, I am Kipta.
So you are a miser. It's not good. And আর যারা টাকা খরচ করে তাদের কি বলা হয়? মানি ওয়েস্টার, যারা টাকা অপচয় করে, মানি ওয়েস্টার।